Hey guys, it's Kelsey. Welcome to my channel. Okay, sorry. I think I have a burping issue.
Late night with Kelsey. Yeah.
Right now it's just one of those times where you have no homework, you have no friends, you have no life, and you're addicted to the internet. And this is what I resort to. I turn my camera on and some words come out, and this is just what happens. And okay, listen. So, just kidding. I acted like I was gonna tell you a story. Well, I could tell you a story. I was gonna say, sorry, this is weird. I was gonna say something about my camera because it's a webcam. And as you can see, or I can see at least, the screen is like ooh. It's little ghostly lighting, and it's like flickering, kind of like fuzzy, like old timey looking. I don't know what happened. Sorry. I thought I was gonna burp and I didn't. I apologize. Actually, why am I apologizing? If you probably don't want to hear me burp. It's gotten to the point where it's like I burp all the time, so when I go out in public, I just like, I don't know, like it just like comes out instead of like doing it in your throat. Personally, I just feel like that's gross. Like it's just like a little like frog, like a frog or something. I don't know, I don't like it, but anyway, I just like don't even notice when it comes out, and then people are like, Kelsey, was that you? I'm like, yeah, sorry, girls gotta do what I gotta do. Would you want it to come out the other end? I don't think so. Oh yeah, girls don't fart, girls don't poop. Yeah. Anyway, guess we're doing story time. If you want. Okay, so one day, long ago, when I was about 3.5.6 inches, and I was in, let's say, second grade, age about whatever age second graders are, and I went to a restaurant called Friendly's. Yeah, Friendly's. And so, okay, I go in, la la la. When we sit down at the table and I order hamburger, already waiting, like, I don't remember, honestly, how long the wait was, but it was freaking ridiculous for, like, a little baby-sized hamburger. So we were complaining. It was already getting, it was already a rough time, and we're like, we just want some food. And getting angry customers, that's when you leave. But we hung in there, we're like, okay. And then this guy with his dad comes up, and they're like, he has a special needs son, and he's like, hello. And then we all say hi back or whatever, and we're just, I don't know, strangers chatting, like my mom and his dad. And then the special needs guy, he like comes to, like, he puts his hand out. I'm like, okay, let's shake hands. And instead of shaking my hand, he takes it up to his mouth and kind of like a princess. I'm like, so I don't know what was going through my mind. It's probably like, oh, this is an interesting handshake. Feels like one of those princesses movies. Oh, look, he's taking my hand. But and then instead of just a little, it was more of like a, I was like, oh, okay. And, sorry, my point of the story isn't to make, like, fun of special needs people or anything. I'm just saying, okay, it's hard to be in, like, my shoes there, but, okay, I'm, like, what, like, 7 years old? I don't know. And, yeah, 7 or 8, I don't know. And, I think I'm gonna go to this stranger. He was, like, older, too. He's probably, like, high school, and I'm in, like, elementary school. I think. Excuse me. And I think I'm just going in for a normal handshake. And instead, it's like a slobber all over my hand and there's spit and stuff. And so, but I stayed contained and polite, and I don't think I said anything. Honestly, I don't really remember, but I was just like, I think I just sat there. But see, my parents trained me well. Trained me, I sound like an animal. But because I could have screamed and be like, oh my gosh, Mom! Instead, I was just like, okay. And then eventually they walked away, and then I bolted to the bathroom. But the dad, he was just like, oh, sorry about that. And then they left. And I was like, oh, Mom, what do I do? Anyway, I don't know what the point of that story was. Just, yeah, let's learn a lesson out of this. If you ever get into an awkward situation like that, where a boy is about to put his saliva on your hand and lick it, to stay calm, because it's gonna be alright, and you can always just wash that off, okay? So next time you go to Friendly's, or somewhere, you just, stay calm, okay? Okay. Bye.